Hey guys, my room is really in a mess right now. Don't really want to show you how it looks like, but basically because I'm moving out and I'm just packing everything up, and I have to pack up my makeup table soon, so I was actually really sad. So much fond memories here, and I thought since I have never done like a makeup organization video, and I said that I will, I thought this would be the perfect time to do it because there will be no other time because I'll be packing everything up. So yeah, here goes. These two tables are my makeup tables. Maybe we should start from there because that's the entrance. This is my ring light, my trusty ring light. Yeah, so I used to place this behind this table, so you know I have a light on my face when I'm doing the makeup, and this is another ring light actually. And this ring light, you have varying degrees of like brightness, and it even blows out wind to dry your makeup faster. I know, useless shit like this, but I got to have it. So okay, let's start with this table. And this acrylic boxes I got from Muji. They are really high quality, but they were quite expensive, I think. Yeah, but they're really high quality, and I've had these for many years, and they have not chipped, they have not broken. They are still working really well, and they're really solid. You know, they're actually really heavy. So here is where I put all my lipsticks. Yeah, I do have like a lipstick addiction. I did buy so many of these Kylie lipstick kits. I don't use anymore because they are so dry into the lips, unfortunately. Lots of lip pencils, lip glosses. One of my favorites, 3CE, also very drying for the lips, but very beautiful color. And over here I got some blushes. So I have this one, also from 3CE. I buy lots of their makeup. It's a cream blusher. Very pretty color. I have not been buying much mascaras because I've been wearing false extensions. Yep. See, this is a concealer that should not belong here. It should belong here. I have a lot of eyebrow stuff here. Eyeliners, eyebrow stuff. Okay, I will definitely reorganize this. In my trays here, I have placed all my eyeshadow stuff. These are like individual eyeshadow pots, as you can see. More glitter. And yeah, this one is like the blush section, so I've mixed up a bit. Some eye stuff and the blush section. Some blushes. And wow, these days I really do not organize everything. My Fancy Beauty sticks are here. I actually wanted to place them standing up, but I have no space, as you can see on my table. It's really full, that's why I put them here. This is actually a contour cushion from 3CE. Interesting contour product. I just bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I bought it because it was on sale. And this one is my contour and highlight tray. So this is my Kat Von D holographic palette. I always use this one. This is another blush. It's by Vanilla. It's a cream blusher. My favorite blusher at the moment. So my highlight and my contours are here. And these are my eye palettes. I actually have way more eye palettes over here. Not very organized, but there's no space, so I just put some here. And these are my brushes. My very pretty brushes. My sister bought them for me because I love mermaids. I actually really love brushes, and I keep buying brushes even though I don't need them anymore. And they're just collecting dust. This is one of my favorite brush. It's from Sephora, and it's really good for highlight. Yeah, it's so feathery light, so you just drop the, you know, the specks of highlight powder on your cheeks so you won't look so crazy and glowy. I placed some photos here because I didn't know where to place them. I just thought it'll be cute. This was our first New Year's Eve together, I remember. Let me see if I remember all the occasions. This was my sister's wedding, definitely. Yeah, this one was her wedding as well. I was wearing the Chinese costume. This was Ken's friend's wedding, one of Ken's friend's wedding. This was another friend's wedding. Only during weddings we take so many Polaroids. This was New Year's Eve as well. Was it last year? I think it was last year. Yeah, and it's already, wow, 1 year has passed. That's crazy. So these are my palettes that I've laid out, and I used to stack them up, but then I realized that that will make me forget what I already have. So by displaying everything out when I do my makeup in the morning, I know what palettes I have. I know which one I can use every morning. So just to show you which are my favorite palettes, definitely these two by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really like this palette as well. This is a Too Faced festival palette, but the colors are really crazy, so I can't really wear this on a daily basis, but I really love the colors included in this eye palette. I started using quite a lot of Makeup Revolution stuff, and stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to be giving away some Makeup Revolution palettes. And finally, of course, the Huda Beauty is also one of my favorites. This was quite expensive, but the colors are really pigmented and very wearable, so also another of my favorites. So moving on, this is try to make this corner really pretty. And there's Ariel. There is the Little Mermaid just sitting there. All my makeup stuff, more brushes. This wonderful candle my friend Cheryl bought me. This candle smells so amazing, smells like brownies. Here I have what I have a contour stick from Clinique. They just gave this to me, I have not tried it yet. So I got lots of random stuff here, like this vanilla puff. It's a dusting powder. There's a little candle here. It smells like champagne. This my sister bought for me when she was in London. It's the Christian Louboutin nail color. Look at how glamorous it is. I've never used it before. I just use it as decoration because it's so pretty. I have some setting sprays here. These are like my travel mist sprays that I bring whenever I go on holiday. And over here, I have some of my favorite items. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I use it whenever I have a really late night out. I have my Fenty Beauty matte lipsticks here. I really love the bottle, that's why I place them here. YSL foundation, the All Hours foundation that is really good for oily skin, by the way. This Espoir one is from Korea. It was very disappointing. It doesn't last and it cakes. This is the MAC Studio, the water weight, which had so many good reviews, but also very disappointing. I do not like how it is on my skin. One of my favorite primers, the Hourglass primer. And what is this? Oh yeah, this is the Allies of Skin. My friends gave this to me for my birthday. This is the Molecular Savior Mist. It's still focusing, but yeah. Basically, this mist you can spray it every night over your moisturizer to really lock in the moisture. And my favorite Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Yep, here I have some Jo Malone stuff as well. I really love Jo Malone. They gave me so much samples that I could put them in a little bowl here. And this lotion that I've been using, it is the Wood Sage and Sea Salt. It smells really delicious. So this is my second table. Bought another table because this one was full. And I bought more lipstick acrylic holders. These are all from YSL. I really love YSL lipsticks. They are really pigmented and very moisturizing, especially these ones. These are really my favorites. These ones are not as moisturizing, but very, very pigmented. Can last the entire day, and I really love the colors. The trays are here. More lipstick because my tray couldn't fit anymore. In this tray, there is my Hourglass palette. This is my favorite. Yeah, I have a Dior makeup palette inside. Concealers and stuff that wouldn't fit anywhere. So this is sort of like the random box. This is like the Benefit brow gel. So after doing your brows, you can apply the brow gel. And then this one is the MAC Paint Pot, which is a primer. Yep. And over here is one of my favorite palettes because it's everything. It has the eyeshadows and it has the contour, the highlighter, the blushes, more brushes because a girl can't have too many brushes. Over here, more lipsticks. This is by Jeffree Star. This is by NARS. These are my foundations. I put all my foundations here. Clinique, Vichy, Makeup Forever. This one is by Rejoice, Tarte, Estee Lauder, Tarte. Yeah, I have 2 of Tarte and 2 of Clinique. So here I've put all my powders, and the blush isn't supposed to be here. It's supposed to be in the blush drawer, but I've been using it so much because I like the color. It's like a really peachy, pretty color, so just place it over here. Yeah, powders to set the makeup, setting sprays. More brushes, but these are for eyes, so eye brushes. I got this from Typo. Very cute. They just gave this set to me, and I really, really love the lip gloss. So pretty. This one is by Makeup Forever. It's a contour palette with blush. Becca is another contour and blush palette. So it's like a highlight, contour, blusher. This one is from Benefit. I got it a long time ago. I think it's expired. All my Kylie lip boxes are here. Just put them out because they're pretty. Cotton buds in case I make mistakes in my eyeliner, which is every day. And Skin Frost, the Jeffree Star Kit Skin Frost. So I got 3, and they are a huge, huge pen. I can't finish using them on my face for sure. That is my makeup table tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yes, I am gonna give away some stuff. For the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away 4 sets of palettes by Makeup Revolution, as well as the brow pomade. This is the dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade. This one is a dupe for the Ben NYE banana powder. A lot of YouTubers use it, so I decided to get it as well. And then over here we have this eye palette. It's called the Reloaded Iconic Vitality, and it's a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I have tried the eye colors for this, and it really looks similar to the original eye palette. This one is, I'm not sure if this is a dupe, but the colors are really pretty. It's a blush, contour, and highlight set. This one is a dupe for the Urban Decay Naked Heat, the one that just came out. And this one is a dupe for Urban Decay, the Naked 3, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So these are really good dupes, and I've tried the eye palettes myself, and I find that the formula is really creamy, pigmented, and it can last the entire day. Very similar to the originals. So I'm giving away all these items to 1 lucky winner, and all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then leave a comment down below on why you want to win these items. And good luck!